Good morning. Join me as I make breakfast for the kids. I'm looking at giving them oats and egg. The boys them cooked rice this morning, jollof rice and beans. Let me show you people. So they made this big pot of rice and beans. This is rolled oats. I'll gently use the pause button to make it look like a poker oat, like a bit tinier. Add it first into the blender. I'm using the pause button. This is the button I'm using. Okay, just a little. It's okay like this. It's even the confidence on me. Cracking egg into another egg with the mindset that the egg is whole, that is not spoiled. Okay, look at how the oat is looking. Okay, so adding the oats. It's looking like, what's it called? A quaker oat now. So it's looking, we are going to pour in the egg. We're going to pour in the eggs. So on the side, it doesn't coagulate. It will mix up, especially when the child doesn't really like egg. So see the way it's looking. I'm going to add in more water because it's already thickened while it has not yet done. So let me rinse this thing with a warm water and add there. I'm rinsing this with a warm water. If it's a child that can identify an egg, the child might really see the egg in here. Let me get it closer. I didn't really have strength to bring in my tripod stand, but yeah. Even if it's a child that will identify egg from a mile, the child, even on a close look, can barely see the egg. So I'm going to add salt and a little ginger to this. While it cooks, let's get the salt and the eggs. This is ginger, a little of it. Adding in a little salt. We mix. So this is for 2 persons, 1 egg each. So I'm going to share it equal among them. Yeah. It's not yet done. Jesus, we thank you. Oh, we thank you. So I'm giving the ideal time for boiling egg here. I'm cooking this for more 6 minutes. Remember, egg is here. They don't have to take a raw egg. Looking at the oats, it's as if the oat is done, but I'm considering the egg in here. So I'm going to put in a little more water and cover it. Let it cook very well. Okay, cover. I add egg inside them. I add them inside them. I'm doing it in a way that he will like it. I blended the oat a little. Come and see. There's no way he will not even notice the egg. Can you notice any egg? So he would not know that there's egg. On my own, we shall say he don't eat egg today. You see the other day that I fried egg, he did not eat it. He only ate plantain and left the egg. The rest. Someone that says she never eat this one. And she now chairman of oats. She like oats. Hey, I formit the milk before I pour them. Okay. Milk.
And I will show you this rubber. You still need it. I pick it here. I wash it. I will have it to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Shema Amanda. Nani, the food is ready. You come and feed him. Just test small, see.
This is enough. You know why me I know the eater? I eat am for daddy house.
Just take one spoon, no be
one won't kill me. He hook me all over my stomach. Since then,
just one spoon, no go.
I fear it.
Make it no as